Today's my lecture topic is automotive air pollution. Automotive air pollution includes air pollution emitted by motor vehicles, airplanes, locomotives, and engines and equipment that can be moved from one location to another. Many of these pollutants contribute to environmental degradation and have negative effects on human health. To prevent unnecessary damage to human health and the environment, environmental regulatory agencies such as the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency has established policies to minimize air pollution from mobile sources. Similar agencies exist at the state level. Due to the large number of mobile sources of air pollution and their ability to move from one location to another, mobile sources are now regulated differently from stationary sources such as power plants. Instead of monitoring individual emitters such as individual vehicles, mobile sources are often regulated more broadly through design and fuel standards. Examples of this include corporate average fuel economy standards and laws that been leaded gasoline in the United States. Broad classification: road sources, cars, light duty and heavy duty trucks, buses, motorbikes. Non-road sources, aircraft, motorboats, diesel locomotives, diesel multiple units, construction equipment. Major regulated mobile source pollutants. There are a number of different pollutants that are emitted by mobile sources. Some make up of a large portion of the total air concentration for that particular pollutant, while others do not make up of such total air concentration. One is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide forms when carbon in fuel does not burn completely. The main source of carbon monoxide in air is vehicle emissions. As much as 95% of the carbon monoxide in typical US cities comes from mobile sources. According to EPA studies, carbon monoxide is harmful because it reduces oxygen delivery to the body's organs and tissues. It is most harmful to those who suffer from heart and respiratory disease. Second one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is one of the most prominent greenhouse gases emitted by motor vehicles. In 2006, 23.6% of the total inventory of the US greenhouse gases were derived from motor vehicles. The compound is generated as a byproduct of the combustion of any fuel source containing carbon. Third one is nitrogen oxides. Nitrogen oxides form when fuel burns at high temperatures, such as motor vehicle engines. Mobile sources are responsible for more than half of all nitrogen oxide emissions in the United States. Both on-road and non-road mobile sources are major nitrogen oxide pollutants. These problems include ozone and smog. Fourth one is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are a precursor to ground level ozone, a serious air pollutant in cities across the United States. A key component of smog ground level ozone is formed by reactions involving hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides in the presence of sunlight. Hydrocarbon emissions results from incomplete fuel combustion and from fuel evaporation. Ground level ozone causes health problems such as difficulty breathing, lung damage, and reduced cardiovascular functioning. Particulate matter. Particulate matter, atmospheric particulate matter or airborne particulate matter is the term for solid or liquid particles found in the air. Some particles are large or dark enough to be seen as soot or smoke, but fine particulate matter is tiny and is generally not visible to the naked eye. Fine particulate matter is a health concern because very fine particles can reach the deepest regions of the lungs. Health effects include asthma, difficult or painful breathing, and chronic bronchitis, especially in children and the elderly. Air toxins. The EPA lists over 1,111 individual components which are classified as air toxins. These compounds are emitted by mobile sources mostly due to the chemical nature of fuel source.